within the state of Assam. It's not a separate from Assam. And this our demand is not anti-national, anti-Assam, as well as and anti-religions, and is not guided by the foreign hands. It is our genuine demand, our constitutional rights, and we must have it. Our movement, we cannot stop till that this very article is fully implemented, because we are very much Indian citizens. We we respect our Indian Constitution, and as per our Constitution, we have to demand our rights, and we must have it, and we have already crossed 33 years, now 34 years running, and we have suffered a lot. Many people were died, many people were killed, so even then we cannot stop, and we must have it, and we have to sacrifice, we have to work more and more till the achievement of our autonomous state means for full implementation of Article 244A. So, present we have two autonomous councils, that is Karbi Anglong and Dima Khalsa Autonomous Council, but the powers of the district council, power of the autonomous council is very limited, and with those powers, we cannot do anything for the development of the areas, and welfare, protection of our tribal people, help tribal people of the town. So at present, for the survival of our people, help people, the implementation of Article 244A is extremely needed. We must have it. We have to sacrifice. We are ready to sacrifice our life for the full implementation of Article 244A of Indian Constitution. We are not against any political party, any religion, and all our organization, students, youth, women, all are our non-political organization, not a member of any political parties, but regional, national, and we are really for autonomous state, and that autonomous state we must achieve it. Here we have printed out our leaflet, so I want to read out this leaflet. 30 years continuous movement for implementation of Article 244A of the Indian Constitution, but not yet implemented. This is the headline that 33 years we have already